Hey guys, so I wanted to give a big shout to everybody that subscribed. You got me over 1,000 and I am grateful. Thank you. It was a small milestone, but it took forever. I joked around saying that going to college was easier than this, trying to get 1,000. I've had this channel since March of 2018, but I really started to upload in 2021. Like, that's when I started to push, and it took this long. So yeah, I'm not monetized yet. I still got to get to the 3,000 hour, 4,000 hour mark, and that'll come soon. It's almost there, but that milestone was hit, so I checked that goal off. I got another goal that I checked off, but that one's a personal goal. And I got some other goals in mind, but we're gonna have to really work on manifestation for that one. It's a big one, and I'm hoping that the pieces fall together so that this can happen for us. We had the eclipse yesterday, and that was the day that we hit 1,000. So it's something that I'm not gonna forget. Is that a good or bad omen? Anyways, we got the Jenny going because we ran out of power again. And like I said, when the sun's like this and you got really nowhere for your panels to catch the sun, they're kind of useless. So we got the generator going. And the weather is starting to cool off a bit, and the nights are getting colder, and it's getting closer to where do we go next, because when it starts hitting low 30s and 20s at night, all of our water is going to freeze up. So we got to think of something. But while we were up here, I was able to install some new front shocks. I don't have a jack, a bottle jack, or a floor jack. I just did it. Didn't take the tires off. Just went in there and manhandled it. And got some aux beams that I installed. These are kind of cool. That's for that night driving through these foresty roads at night. You can't see anything. And got the new throttle body in there. Also changed the PCV valve, which is important. And before I think we hit the road again, I'm going to go ahead and replace the EGR valve or just clean it out. So if you're thinking about doing this kind of a lifestyle and you're thinking about how to make some money, one way is, of course, YouTube, but that takes time to build. It takes a lot of time to build, but you got to have another source while you're doing that. I have another source where I can work on the road, and I have another source where you can upload videos and they'll pay you when studios or filmmakers or content creators need footage. So you can upload footage, let's say, of your drive through a mountain pass or down the beach or whatever. They call them driving plates. So when you watch a movie, a lot of the times the drivers will be in a studio in a car and there's a green screen behind them. And what they'll do is, if they need a scene where they're driving through the desert, well, I think a lot of you van dwellers are driving through the desert. So if they find a scene that they need that fits the the script, they'll buy that and license that video from you off of this website. It's called Pond 5, Pond number 5. And you can upload your videos. It doesn't hurt. It's free. And if somebody buys your stuff, then all gravy. So you've seen my lightning ball videos, maybe, where the UFOs are flying through the trees. Of course, those aren't real. Those are what I do, and I sell those on Pond 5. I've sold quite a bit of the same video over and over and over, and it will generate better money than YouTube for me right now. YouTube pays me nothing. Pond 5 will pay me. So it's better than a stick in the eye. It's free. You can upload as much as you want. Just make sure you got clean video. Driving, if you have a dash cam and it's got good quality, upload that. It's good stuff. So that's a source of income that you can also do. I'm an artist, and I have many different tools. I can paint, I can work on the computer. So I do miss painting, and I'm still able to create. It's just on my laptop, and yeah, you can definitely figure out a way to bring in income. And I like the passive income best, because you'll wake up in the morning and you'll get an email that says, oh, you've sold this video clip and this video clip and this video clip. You can make $200 napping. Those are the kind of checks that I like to make, because it's 1, 2, 3 hours of work, and then it just gets paid over and over. So think about that. YouTube, I still need 1,000 hours to go to get monetized, but I'm not holding my breath for that, because once I get monetized, I might get $10. Anywho, that's the update. I'm gonna go get a shower now. Caitlin's done. It's my turn, and it's been a week. Yeah, if you guys are thinking about doing this kind of lifestyle too, consider your showers are gonna go down drastically, and you're gonna get used to your smell. All right, watch my other videos, like, subscribe. Again, thank you guys for subbing and supporting us through this journey. I'll have some more stuff to talk about. Peacey weesey.